Good morning, Pat Golinski on another refinish. This one I'm here for 4 days and you will see why shortly. Pink, it's everywhere. Pink swirl. Got to get rid of that. Right into the countertop and right into the sink. We got staining, we got nasty caulking, it's all got to go. Old fixtures removed. This tile pattern, not that great for today, but we'll take care of that, refinish that. And then this floor. So here is the theme we're going with. The tub, the sink, and the wall tile will be my gloss colder white. The counters will be in one of my stone finishes, which this customer loves. So the counter stone, tub and top white, surround stone, step front stone, this counter stone, and this floor stone, so it all goes together. Now do you see why I will be here for 4 days? A lot of work, but it's so worth it. This is really the only way to get a project with a facelift without a facelift. We're just recoding what they have and it's gonna look awesome. Well, hey guys, day number 3. This is the day we apply the stone finish. So the shower floor, that's the final coat drying there. We got this countertop over here. Drying it. We got around this soaking tub. The tub is gloss white underneath there, protected with plastic. We're going all around the tub. This counter is a mirror of the other one. And the sinks have been sprayed gloss white and they are masked. And I go down about 3/8 of an inch with my mask line. Patrick developed that technique where it makes it look like an undermount when you're done. Looks killer. We got some caps that have been sprayed. Just drawing everything, then we'll put the clear on over that. It's gonna look fantastic when it's done. Yeah, it's been a lot of work, but we're gonna save this nice customer a lot of time, money, and aggravation. Wait till you see that one. Well, hey guys, as promised, here is your final video. Let's check out what we did. We started off on Monday refinishing these caps in my stone color. Sinks in my gloss color white. Look, they look like an undermount, but they are not. This is all one piece cultured marble. The top, same color. The tub, gloss color white, looks killer. And then the rest of it, we did in that same stone color. The surround of the tub makes it look very elegant. Over here, same thing. In the shower, we had a sea of tile that wasn't working, so we refinished it in also that gloss white that matches. And then the floor. The floor has now been refinished in the same granite finish. It looks fantastic. My customer is over the top. I'm Pat Golinski. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. And I got lots and lots and lots more of this work. Let's see. We are beginning of April. I got April, May, and then we got June, July, and August almost booked. But that's an interesting story. Thanks. Stay tuned.